Good morning, one and all. Welcome to AHPS YouTube channel. We are very glad to invite you all for the Academic Parade 2020. A warm greetings to all our dignitaries. I, Mrs. Jhansi, on behalf of Academic Heights Public School, Biramguda, take the privilege on inviting our Honorable Director, Mr. Srinivas Rao sir, and our beloved Director, Mrs. Sirisha ma'am, and our Principal, Mrs. Parimala Grace ma'am, and our academic coordinators to a fabulous technical event of the year, Academic Parade 2020. Nothing can stop us from learning. Yes, it was truly proved by the zest of our students to showcase their skills even in this pandemic. Our event Academic Parade paved the way to our students to explore. It's a platform to showcase their innovative skills and talent. Now, I request the epitome of discipline, the proper meaning of planning and implementation, our principal, Mrs. Parimala Grace ma'am, to grace the occasion by presenting an overview of the event.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Academic Parade. As a part of our academic calendar 2020-21, we have Academic Parade in the month of December. Due to this pandemic situation, we are conducting it virtually through our YouTube channel. Grade 1 to 8th children are ready with their projects, and our grade 9th and 10th children have done with youth parliament session last month. Now they are preparing for board exams. As usual, like department wise, math, science, social science and languages, our children did their projects. Overall 240 projects are there. I request all the parents do watch all the projects through our YouTube channel, which will be available on 24th December at 11 am. I would like to thank our directors for their continuous guidelines and support. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I want to thank all my coordinators, Mrs. Sunita ma'am, Mrs. Yosha ma'am, Mrs. Rani ma'am, and Mrs. Anita ma'am. I want to thank all my teachers for your efforts to train our children virtually. My special thanks to Mrs. Anita ma'am, Mrs. Ramya ma'am, Mrs. Jhansi ma'am for your technical support from the beginning to the end of this event. Now I want to thank all my parents for your continuous support to organize this event. With the same spirit, do watch all the projects and bless our children with your feedback as a comment in your YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivational words. Now I request our Honorable Director, sir, to grace the occasion with his words.
Good morning, everyone. Happy to announce Academic Parade 2020. This time it is virtual, as we all know the reason. Students of 1st to 8th classes are participating and presenting 240 projects in various segments. My heartfelt congratulations to all the students. And I want to thank entire team of AHPS Biramguda on conducting this wonderful event to ignite our little minds. Finally, want to convey my special thanks to all the parents on giving good support and encouragement to all the children. Please watch it completely. Best wishes to all the children. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiration. I would like to request our director, ma'am, to address the event.
Good morning, all. We at Academic Heights Public School, Biramguda, are very happy to invite you all for the Academic Parade. Every year, we organize this event as a part of academic calendar. This year, we know that 2020 is a year of technology because of this pandemic situation. In such kind of hard situation, AHPS Biramguda took a step ahead to serve its parents and children better. It has trained its teachers, coordinators, and counselors how to tackle the classes virtually. A very big thank you for all the staff members and the parents who have supported us in this situation. It has proved that the coordination between the school and the parents can create wonders in the child's performance. This event is one of those. So please support our children by viewing and liking their videos. Last but not the least, I especially congratulate and thank every student who has participated in this event. Thank you. Enjoy the show.
Thank you, ma'am, for your energizing words. We would be happy to hear from our coordinators.
Good morning, one and all. What's an academic parade? It's an integration and application of scientific ideas. Participating in academic parade helps students to gain new ideas, share their new ideas, boost their confidence, enhance their communication skills. Thus, they will update their skills and knowledge. It enhances communication skills. At the same time, it reduces fear of failure, procrastination. Thus, they can inculcate the sense of pride in their talents. It creates a situation for critical thinking, creativity, problem-solving approach, application of their knowledge, experimenting, verifying, and coming to the conclusion finally with the simple apparatus available at home. I thank all the parents for supporting our children in this pandemic situation. Though they are not attending the classes, they are doing virtually from home. Really, it's an awesome job. Thank you so much. Thank you, parents.
Good morning, one and all. We are glad to conduct first ever virtual academic parade 2020. Education is not confined to read and write. It is now linked to the holistic development of the child. It's an opportunity for the child to apply the scientific method to conduct independent research. Academic parade increases the skills of presentation and curiosity to learn more. We are happy to announce that we have a good team of facilitators who have motivated and guided our students. Student has come up with innovative ideas, prepared models, and presented very well. I would like to appreciate and congratulate all the students who have participated in this event. Hope all of you will enjoy this program and feel proud by seeing our kids' performance. I thank all the parents for your continuous support, and we expect the same in future also. Thank you so much.
A very warm wishes to all the parents. I'm very glad to have such a fabulous team of students who have shown their thirst towards the knowledge, thirst towards the learning in this academic parade 2020. I appreciated their efforts. I appreciate their zest towards the learning, and I'm very much thankful for the support given by the parents. I request all the parents to view all our students' videos and support them with your likes and comments. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to appreciate all the participants of class 1 and 2 for preparing well for the academic parade. A special thanks to all the parents for their great support for helping the child in completing the given projects or the topics on time, as suggested by the teachers. Once again, congratulations to all of you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am glad to congratulate all the students in participating for this academic parade, and also thank all the parents for preparing their children in this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you all for your support. Dear parent, we'll share our YouTube channel link. Please do watch all the videos and encourage our children with your valuable likes and comments. Thank you.